Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Raghavendra Mysore. Today we are solving problem number 10 from the unit of triangles of class 10. The question is taken from exercise 6.3 in CBSE textbook and it is taken from exercise 2.3 in Karnataka state textbook. The question is like this. CD and GF are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG, show that the first one CD divided by GH is equal to AC divided by FG. Second one, triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. And the last one, triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. So with respect to that question, I've drawn two triangles. You can observe here. I've drawn triangle ABC as well as EFG. So ABC triangle, EFG triangle. They are saying that these two triangles are similar. That means obviously where the conditions are very simple. There are two conditions. The first one is the corresponding angles of the two triangles are equal to one another. And the second one is that the corresponding sides ratios are equal to one another. So angles are equal, sides ratios are equal. What they are saying, CD and GH are the respectively the bisectors of angle C and G. So CD is the line in triangle ABC and GH is the line in triangle EFG, where CD is bisecting angle C. Bisecting means what? Dividing the entire angle of C into two equal half. And GH is also bisecting the angle G. So corresponding angles, angle A is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E. That means obviously angle C will be equal to angle G. If we think angle C is 50 degree, obviously angle G is also 50 degree. If CD is dividing the angle C into two equal half, obviously this portion becomes 25 degree and this portion of the angle is also equal to 25 degree. Similarly, when GH is the bisecting angle G means then it is also 25 degree and it is also 25 degree if we think like that. Okay. What we need to prove? We need to prove the sides ratios are equal and the triangle DCB triangle is similar to triangle HGE. So we need to prove these two triangles are similar and DCA triangle is similar to HGF. So HGF is here and DCA is here. So first we will prove the corresponding similar triangles of these two triangles, these two pair of triangles. Then we will go for the corresponding sides ratio. I hope that you have understood with respect to the question, the figure which I have drawn here. I am taking the second one first, not the first one. I am taking the second one first. So it will be easy for us to solve this particular problem. We are considering triangle DCB and triangle HGE. So DCB, this triangle. Here angle B you can see, and in HGE angle E. So we can write angle B is equal to angle E. Why they are equal? Because we already know that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG. This is the reason. And second one, this bisected portion is there, no? They are equal. Therefore, we can write angle DCB is equal to angle HGE. Why they are equal? Because this C is half of the entire angle of C. So it is nothing but half of angle, or we can write directly like this, angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. So since these two angles are equal, so these two are half of these two, they will be equal to one another. So two elements of the one triangle is equal to the two elements of the corresponding triangle. Therefore these two triangles are similar. So we can write triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE by AA criteria. Only two elements we need to prove. Two triangles are similar, so we have proved that one. Next we will go for the next set of triangle, that is triangle DCA and triangle HGF. So DCA, this triangle, HGF. Obviously we can see here angle A and angle F are equal to one another. So I can write angle A is equal to angle F. Once again it is by the similarity of the original triangles, that is ABC is similar to triangle EFG. The next one is, once again you can see this, half of angle C is here, half of angle G is there. So we can write the same thing, that is ACD, angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. The reason is nothing but it is nothing but these two angles are equal in the original triangle. Therefore, triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. So once again, which criteria it is? It is AA criteria itself. So the second one and third one is finished. We need to prove what? We need to prove that the corresponding sides ratios are equal. CD and GH comes in which side? CD here and GH is the bisector. So AC comes in triangle ADC, or we can also consider in ABC, but it is better for us to consider triangle ADC itself. And FG, it is also comes in the triangle of HGF. So DCA triangle where CD is CA and CD is coming sides, and HGF in triangle HGF, GF and GH are the sides which is there. So we can write their corresponding sides. So finally we are moving for the first one. The corresponding sides ratio, this is CD by GF, CD by GH is equal to CA or AC by FG. So this is the first portion that we need to prove. So one of the easiest problem. I hope that you people have understood this particular problem. If you have liked this video, please give a like to the video, share the video, and don't forget to do a comment. Please do support the channel by subscribing it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be getting all my notifications first.